Hi, welcome to the setup of Skiddly AI. So what we have is you can see the sign up and sign in uh, button. So normally user can sign up with through an email via an email, or it can sign in directly via Google. So in our case, what we'll do is we'll just open up and we're just gonna sign up with a new account, fresh account. What we're gonna have is once the sign is done, the approval is done, we lend to the section where we show trial starter plan, like the pricing plan. And currently we only have two activated. So if user wants to start with free trial, he doesn't has to, or he or she doesn't have to add any payment method in starter. It'll ask for the payment method. So if I go with start free trial, I will land on this page. If I continue, I will land on the first page, and I can simply log out from here if I want to log out. So this is the first step of signing up on Skidly. So now the next step is connecting to the Shopify account. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on connect, continue, install, and I should land on this page. If I click on install, it should, okay, the Shopify store is already connected to another account. So what we're going to do is maybe we have, we'll have another account which we can connect with. So let's click on it, install. I'm gonna go on this account and let's see if we can connect with that. Okay, so system. So I've keep on adding accounts. So there might be a chance that I have. Okay, so it's a single click. Shopify connected successfully. Now what we're going to do is we're going to connect Twilio. In Twilio's case, we have two options. One is we can add our own number. The second would be we can add any of the test numbers. So in case of if they want to add any of their own number, they just have to provide these details: account SID or token, phone number, and the phone number will be added. For the test numbers, they can choose any of these numbers and they can keep it for the time being. The third step is creating agent. So once you click on the continue, click on add new agent, click on abandoned. So we only have one as of now, abandoned cart recovery. User will click on continue. Once user lands on this page, it can uh, tagline of the store. It can so all the information can be edited over here, like support email, phone number, business address. All this information will be stored and provided to the voice AI agent. Okay, so this we are configuring voice AI agent right now. If the fulfillment method is both shipping or local pickup as well, store description. So just have to mandatory provide this. So like it's like a brand, basically messaging here, which you can apply. Let's say I have a store of clothing. I click on next. These are the options. If out of these whatever I will select, the agent will know when he or she will be talking to the customer on abandoned cart mode. Whenever there's an abandoned cart, if I click on this and I select, okay, what are the options available? So whenever a customer asks, like, okay, what are the payment methods that you have available, the voice agent will talk all these options. So these are not mandatory, but they enhance the experience in terms of real time. Uh, user can select any of these discounts accounts and type of discounts they provide, any additional information. I click on next. uh, these are the call logic options, so I can select from number of what is the card value. It should be greater than equal to $50. If I want to include this, I'll just option open this, and the customer side type should be new returning VIP. New user is when there is. So new user will be like whenever there is a new user, the returning user is where the user is returning after 2 3 orders, and VIP is like, oh, they have already done for more than 5 orders. So these are the all logics, call logics that can be applied. And then oh, so this also can be done. Wait time should be way, if I do it 1 minute. It's normally standard time will be 30 minutes, because after a customer has abandoned cart, the voice agent should be calling after 30 minutes. But if it is, if you just want to, for the demo purpose, I want to show you is like I'll do 1 minute, and for this also I'll just do quickly 11:05 p.m. And then it'll show the time zone. Should I call on weekends? Uh, Respect DNDs, voicemail detection, and all those things. And I click on next. Uh, Now, I it will fetch all the offers and discounts running on your store, so you can make any discounts and coupons on your store, and we will fetch it here, and you can just select these discounts. The voice agent will talk about these based on whether you whether if customer ask about it, it can actually do that. The next is agent persona, where we call name anything like Sandra, like Sarah. In our case, it will be Sarah, let's say. And these are the female voices. Customer can actually see which voice is sort of good for them, and they can build agents on top of it. User don't have to do much thing. They just have to select the voice option, and if they want to have a custom response, they can just edit it here, but they don't have to, because we have already set it up. uh, then there are objection handlings in terms of what will happen: shipping cost concerns, pricing and objects, payment concerns, technical issues, fit concern, size and fit, forgot to complete. And user can disable few of them. You can keep all of them. The next will be user should be able to see the name of the agent, the phone number it is connected to, and it can also add refund policy, shipping policy, and warranty and link here, and can make agent live. It can also test agent from here. Right now, it's not the actual agent which will be tested. It's a universal agent that can be tested just by simply adding to, uh, let's say, my number, and to. So I'm using an Indian number, so I'll just do this, and I can test a call. Obviously, this is not the live agent, but this call will be. Uh, this is a test call, which I'll get it, and yeah. So once I make the agent live, I can actually, in the next thing, we'll see how this thing works. So I'll just make the agent live. Once the agent is live, we will be able to see the agent over here. All the issues have been solved, the number, and you can see the home. You can see all the analytics. Okay, so yeah, let's move to the next one now for doing the actually abandoned cart and getting the call. Okay, now the next part is where I want to show you as orders. So let's say we go to our Shopify Store. What is my store name? Now okay, this is my store. I went here, let's say, and I just want to grab this. I'll buy it now. So as I am checking out, normally we can see it should start showing one checkout here. So in my case, I will show. Hmm, So I don't know if it will start showing, but yeah, it should normally start showing. Yeah, so you can see this is the name, and this customer is trying to check out this thing. So it already started showing. Okay, I'll just quickly name it HJK. I think it has all details as well. Uh, New York, and I have. Okay, so these are the ones. I just do it. Shipping method, and if I click on Pay Now, I just let's say I just abandoned the cart. Uh, so it should actually now, after some time, after whatever time we have defined for it to call it abandoned cart, we will actually get this into the abandoned section, but it will happen after some time. So now we can see uh, this is on abandoned checkout now, and like we defined, I am already getting the call over here from the agent, and so I pick this up. Hello. Hello. Hi. Is this A? Yeah, please this tell is me. Sarah. Tell me. Hi, A. Hi, A. This is Sarah from Wizard. I noticed you picked out the collection, snowboard, liquid, but didn't get to checkout yet. Is this a good time to talk for a minute? No, I'm not. I'm busy right now. Can you call me after some time? No problem at all. When would be a better time for me to call you back? Or maybe in an hour? If I send you Perfect. I'll call you back in about an hour, A. Sure, sure. If anything Thank you. Comes up before then. You're very welcome. Looking forward. So now this the call has been made, and once the call is, so I've just finished the call. I'll refresh it, and it starts showing the total abandoned cart, total value, what was the average cart value, call stage picked, call outcome, customer busy, scheduled. So the outcome is that I picked the call, but I've told him that I'm busy, and you can see the transcript over here, um, the entire transcript, and the call recording, whatever the call recording has happened, the summary, and the final outcome of the call. If the next time the call will go after 1 hour, we'll start showing the things over here. Once the card has been recovered, we will show it in converted section. Normal analytics can be seen over here in the home page, and in the billing and usage section, you will be able to see all the details of current plan that is active. And if customer wish to upgrade, it can just click on upgrade to a starter pack, and should be able to open the you know, uh, payment pop-up. Uh, in case of usage, they can see how many, say, if there were 25 abandoned calls supposed to make. Right now it's zero, one agent, one store. In history, it should be able to see when the plan history and your recharge history. So yeah, this is if you want to add new shop, just click on add shop, and you can have a different account for this. So yep, thank you so much. That's it.